When your BMW iDrive system becomes frozen or unresponsive, there are several soft reset methods you can try before moving to more advanced troubleshooting. A frozen iDrive system typically shows symptoms like an unresponsive touchscreen, frozen display, or complete system lag. Here are 4 proven soft reset methods to resolve these issues. Method 1 is the most thorough soft reset. Turn off your engine completely, lock all doors, and wait 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the iDrive system to fully shut down and clear temporary glitches. Method 2 involves using the volume or power button on your iDrive system. Press and hold this button for 30 seconds until the screen goes completely black. Then release and allow the system to restart automatically. Method 3 is specifically for newer BMW models with operating system 9. Instead of 30 seconds, you need to hold the mute or volume button for 70 seconds. This longer duration is required for the newer system architecture. Method 4 uses the iDrive controller itself. Press and hold down the central controller dial for 25 seconds. This method directly resets the controller interface and can resolve navigation and menu responsiveness issues. Try these soft reset methods in order, starting with the complete shutdown method as it's the most thorough. If none of these soft reset techniques resolve your iDrive issues, you may need to proceed to force restart and power cycle methods. When your BMW infotainment system becomes unresponsive, a hard reset is often the most effective solution. The first method involves using the iDrive controller itself. If the controller method doesn't work, you can perform a more thorough reset by disconnecting the car battery. This method requires basic safety precautions, but is highly effective for stubborn system freezes. Before attempting more drastic measures, check if your system needs a software update. Many infotainment issues are resolved through the latest BMW software releases. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. The process differs between iDrive versions, so it's important to know which system your BMW uses. If none of these methods resolve your infotainment issues, the problem may involve hardware malfunctions or corrupted data that requires professional diagnosis. Contact your BMW service center for expert assistance.